Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how profile view works on TikTok. So guys, this feature is actually new. It was probably released a few months ago, and in case you're having any problem using this feature, this video is for you. So I'm going to show you how you can make use of it and everything you need to know about this feature. So the first thing you need to have is the feature. So you need to have this feature. Now, if you look at the top of my screen, you find out this eye icon right there. That is the feature. So now, if you want to know how it works, first of all, you need to turn on this feature in order to make use of it. So you have to click on these three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Go to your settings and privacy. Go to privacy. And once you go to privacy, scroll down and you find the profile view option at the bottom. So click on that, and the next thing you want to do is to make sure it's turned on. It's actually turned on right now. If you want to turn it off, you can turn it off, but if you want to make use of it, make sure it's turned on. Now after it's been turned on, you can now go back. Now another thing is that you can actually turn on this feature by just clicking on the eye icon. Then you find the option to turn on this feature. Now once it's been turned on, then you can be able to find your profile viewers appearing right here. So I have no profile viewers here, but in my other TikTok account I actually have some viewers. So let me switch to the other TikTok account and show you. So this is my other TikTok account. Sorry about that. So if you notice, I'm going to click on the eye icon. Oh, the viewers are the ones appearing there, not eye icon this time around. So if you have some viewers, they are going to be the one appearing there, not the eye icon anymore. So these are my TikTok profile viewers on this account. Okay. So guys, another thing I want to let you know is this. If you're worried about people noticing you viewed their TikTok account, then if you want, how you can go about that is this. If you don't want people to know you viewed their TikTok account, you can just simply turn off the feature and then visit their account. That way they are not going to know you visited their TikTok account. So this is how this profile view feature works on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and equally consider subscribing to this channel. I share tips on how you can go about your TikTok app in case you're facing any problem. So you should consider subscribing to this channel to get helpful tips like this. I make videos on this channel every single day. So guys, this is all about this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.